Guys, I wasn't planning to do a video today, but this is how you cut a chicken's wings. This chicken, this is the third day in a row that she has gotten out. Now, so I'm going to clip her wings so she can't fly over the fence anymore. The problem with that is that when they fly out, they attract coyotes, and once they get the taste of your chickens, they keep on coming back. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our wings, and this is where you do it. You see, make sure that there's kind of a natural line where they have these smaller feathers and then it goes into this bigger feathers. This is where you want to cut them. You just go right along that line. And she's resisting because she doesn't like me holding her this way, not because it hurts. So you only cut one side, they can still kind of fly. So you gotta cut both sides. So you just kind of hold it out with your fingers. This is for her own safety and for all the other birds' safety. So, how easy it is. It's just like cutting fingernails, and that's the way you need to think about it. It's just like cutting fingernails. And the fence was on, so she's finding a way to get over the fence. Pressure off the fence. First thing they do, you can see that little spot right there. She pooped in it anyway. Just a little bit further. That's the side of the Hey! Hey! Stop. 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 Oh, we want fresh water. You want? Get off my board. They just want thanks for putting your feet in there. Huh? God, the pig nipples are on their way. camera stand, huh? Hey, 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 what do you think you're doing? Huh? What do you think you're doing? Hey, right. Fresh water, fresh wallow. Everybody's happy. Yeah. Yeah, down, 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 down. Okay, we're doing good. Attacked by one chicken because she was actually going for my dog and got me. And then my broody chicken tried to attack me. We'll grab that stuff. First I need to grab the compost tea and I'll show you where I put it. This is where we keep our compost tea. You can see we've got a whole tote full. That has gone down, not from usage, but from, well, a little bit from usage, but more so from actual evaporation from the water. So I'm starting to fill up another one, and then we've got our third one over here. So we'll have 3 250-gallon totes, total of 750 gallons. So I had to take care of Thanksgiving and Christmas. I don't know who's going to be Thanksgiving and I don't know who's going to be Christmas, but probably won't even have to feed and water them. It looks like they have plenty of both. We're just going to move them. Got a lot of other work to do. Coming with us today. God bless you, and I hope you learned something about those chickens. Trimming their wings is really no big deal. Remember what it feels like when you're cutting your fingernail. It's the same thing. It doesn't hurt them at all. They'll act like it hurts them, just like your child does when you're cutting their fingernails and you know it doesn't hurt them. So God bless you guys. We'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.